Hey everyone out there, welcome back to another episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. Today I want to bring your attention to the warranty side of your solar array. If you have already purchased solar, or if you're thinking about going solar, this is an episode for you. And again, if you like our content, you like what we're doing for you, and if there's any suggestions you guys have, drop a like, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for us so we know how to better deliver for you. And on that, I want to jump right into the warranty side of things. What we're looking at here is, I don't know if you guys know this, but some states across America require us solar companies to actually offer a minimum warranty. And I'll give you an example. Massachusetts, it's required to give a minimum of 12 months. Now, I feel like that is under-delivering for everyone that has gone solar. I feel like an adequate warranty would be anywhere between 5 or 10 or even 20 is great for a labor warranty. Now, with that said, this should also include any kind of leak protection in your roof, and it should spell those areas out pretty clearly so that there's no misunderstandings by anybody. And there's no he said, she said, pointing fingers when the time should arise if there's an issue. Now, with all that said, one of the things you need to be concerned about, obviously, is the panel warranty, your inversion warranty. But what we're talking about today is specifically the labor side of this and what this looks like for you. So it's no secret, and it's very unfortunate that within our industry here in solar, that there is that race to the bottom or the solar coaster or whatever. Or you've heard these terms if you've been online looking at solar for more than 10 minutes. You've heard of these. And what that means is the average solar company in the solar industry never makes it past 18 months. Very few, very, very few go on past 3 years. Now, that's because of a couple reasons. One, it is such a new industry. So whenever there's a new industry, there is a lot of unknowns, and there's some bad actors, obviously, that see it as an opportunity and come in and try to, unfortunately, screw over as many people as possible and then get out. That's always an issue. I think that's in every industry. But in solar, that's going to happen less as we go forward because the margins are compressing over time, and it's getting harder to make an actual profit for those in the industry. If you haven't found your niche, you haven't found your way to be able to get past the tax credit lowering and the competition market overall, if you haven't figured out your way to navigate through that, you're probably not going to. Those of us who have carved out a nice little niche for ourselves and been able to do things and adapt to certain ways to make sure we can keep delivering for our new customers, as well as stand by and the ready for the warranty for our previous customers. And there are some companies out there spread out through America that are 100% doing it right. And I have the fortunate experience and the pleasure to deal with some of these companies and some of these CEOs and project managers and VPs of these companies. So to those, my hat's off to you. To the rest of you, it's a shame what's happening so much in our industry. And this is why I want to make this video, so that if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Solar Wolf Energy at Solar TV here with any questions you guys can have. We may not be in your area per se or directly, but we definitely have a nice little black book that we built up over the last 5 years of being able to help people throughout all 50 states. So, to close things up and wrap it around here, what I'm talking about here is read your contract, ask questions about the warranty if you haven't gone solar, and if you have, call up the company after you've read your contract again and ask them to drop it in an email or whatever, so it's written down somewhere so you have that for future reference for what your warranty does include. Now, the reason this is an important issue right now is with all of these customers and potential people going solar and those who already have, these folks are going to either go with want a battery upgrade system either now or in the future as they become more affordable, more competitive. And what you'll need to know for certain is that by doing a battery addition here, you may void your warranty. Very important to know. It's why you want to take the time to spend 5 or 10 minutes. It's all really what we're really looking at here, to get familiar with your warranty and how it works, what is included, and what might actually void it. So with that, If you guys have any questions regarding solar warranties, please drop a comment below. Myself or my team would love to help you and see if we can basically answer any questions you guys have on this area. And with that, I'd like to thank my team here at Solar Wolf Energy and thank all of you for joining me in another episode of Uncensored Solar TV. Thanks for watching.